Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your iTunes Store, you might see the error that cannot connect to iTunes Store. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with the different stable and strongest network connections. Basically, it's nothing else. It's just a network issue. So you just have to simply connect with the different stable and strongest network connection, then go back and open your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, simply go back from here. You can also try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and just go to this transfer reset iPhone, select reset, and select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step, so you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so just try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and leave the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get to the last screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and now you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to check for Apple server if your iTunes is still down or not. So you just simply open your browser and you just simply search for Apple system status. Just search for this. It's Apple system status, and open the first website from here. And now on this screen, you just have to look for iTunes Store if it's available or not. So just tap on this all services are operating normally. Just tap on this plus option, and you just have to look for iTunes store here. Here's the iTunes store, so you can see that it's still available. So if you might see that it's still available, but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a forced restart again, or you can also try to contact with Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select more option. Now just look for iTunes Store, select this, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.